Use the spices. Rip a piece of
This is hot. No, I didn't think about crab. Crab is rolling. What's up, buttercups? How are you guys doing on this magnificently golden day? So, it is like 114 degrees today, and I'm in my parking garage right now, and I'm gonna pretty much drive outside and try to get my car warm enough so I can cook an egg or fry an egg with it too. This is gonna be a very interesting video. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure I've ever been this hot. Maybe, okay, when in Nigeria, yes, it was this hot, but oh, first of all, let's start the car. Oh, yeah. I literally have the AC on full blast. Oh my gosh, it's hot. I can't even imagine leaving a kid or someone else out here in this. It is so hot. But we're doing this for science, so. Okay, so as you guys are pretty much seeing, I have pretty much parked it up here, and I'm just gonna let it bake a little bit in the sun because, oh crap, I need to take it out from the shade because I probably need to repark this. So I'm gonna park it over there where there's like no shade or no tree. So let's just do that real quick. Oh, it's so hot. There it is. I think I found the perfect spot. So the last time I saw temperatures this hot was in Nigeria. Oh. It's so hot. I'm not even sure I even got this hot in Nigeria. It's so hot, but I parked it where there's no sunshade. So there's a tree over there, but that's pretty much it. So it's just parked up over there. And it looks golden as usual. So what I plan to do is, I plan to use this, since this is pretty much the hottest part of the car, I think, I don't know, but it's gonna be getting the most heat. It's not very clean right now, so I'm gonna have to wipe it off, but then I'm gonna use like a tin foil and like put it on top. But all that is to come later because I'm pretty much going to need to let the car warm up a little bit because it's been inside the garage like I told you guys. And so I'm gonna go in, have my lunch and then come back down maybe an hour later. And it's like 3 now. Oh, it's so hot. If you look at it right now, it is clearly, wait for it, 113 golden degrees. So this is gonna be fun. So, like I literally cannot even feel my face. Like my face is completely gone right now. This is so bad. And I can't even imagine people, like, I heard some people leave their kids in their cars and stuff. That's just crazy. But I will see you back in 3, 2, 1, whoop. So for this experiment, we're gonna need a few golden things. Of course, we need the magnificently golden eggs. Oh yeah, we also need some golden oil. Ooh. And last, we'll need our golden seasoning. So which one should we take? I have this one. It's a chana masala. It's like a blend of some spices, some golden Indian spices. So I'm gonna take that one. Of course, we need our golden salt. Maybe some pepper to make it nicer. Oh yeah. And I really like my eggs spicy, and so, boom. That is amazing. Ooh, and I forgot the most important thing. Tin foil. There it is. So fun fact you need to know about me is like I love cooking so much. So good. Of course, we have the golden hot sauce. Okay, let's try. Oh, I put too much. Oh crap. I put too much. Look at all that. That's gonna roast. And this is like the extra hot sauce. It's not like the regular hot. Let's add some golden pepper. And let's whisk this a little bit. I feel like I'm on the Food Network here. Ooh. Oh my god, I think it's too spicy. That's gonna be too spicy. And let's move that aside. So the second one, I'm going to have to do this when we're outside. I'm gonna crack it on top and see what happens, if there's any difference and all that. And with that, let's head outside. Okay, so I'm gonna take this golden egg and I'm gonna give it to Brittany, my golden roommate. Hello.
Hello.
And I'm gonna take the other egg.
How much hot sauce did you put in there?
A lot. I know. I put too much hot sauce. It literally tastes like hot sauce.
We are going. This is the.
Do you have your keys?
Yes.
Oh, I forgot the oil. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, how are you doing?
Okay. How are you?
Golden. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's hot. So we're just gonna come to the back and just keep the oil there. That's like a perfect stand. Keep the egg we're gonna use later on. I'm also gonna keep this here. Another. Oh yeah. So the first step, of course, we want to do is take the golden foil and put it on top of the car because it's kind of dirty. Like,
Lord, it's hot.
What end do we want to use?
You should put it on your hood.
No, black is better. It conducts heat and it's more even. I think. I don't know. Yeah. Oh my God, it's hot. I'm not sure I can do this on my own. This is a disaster.
Use the spices. Rip a piece of
This is hot. Ow, 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 this is hot. Ow, 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 ow. I got the first part on.
We believe in you, Elvis.
Oh yeah. I think that's it. Ooh, that is hot. This is gonna work. I have a good feeling about this. So we have our nice canvas laid out like an artist, and then it's time to pour the egg. I can't even see anymore. It's so bright. Okay, so that is the golden egg. I'm gonna take the fork out of it that I used to mix it. Where do I put this? Okay, and now, crap, I forgot to put oil. Oil, pour the oil. Let's rub it in a little. Ooh. Now for the grand finale. No, I didn't think about crab. Crab is rolling. No. Oh God. No. Oh God. Well, that was a fail. Now there's egg all over my car. Good job, Elvis. Okay, take two. So that was an epic fail. There's like egg all over the place. Just look at that. There's literally egg everywhere. But I'm not giving up yet because this is still possible. So I think the next thing I'm gonna do is try to like wrap the egg in a tin foil. Still freaking hot outside. The egg out here is dried a little bit. Oh, my eyeball. Oh, I forgot this thing reflects sunlight. Oh my God. Actually, my mom taught me this thing. Hold on. So my mom taught me this a while ago. Oh, my arms are hot, my legs are hot, everything is hot. I am very hot, thank you very much. That was so wrong. Oh! Create like, look, so it's a circle, it's like in there. So what I have to do is just pour this, whatever is left of the egg, and just like, This is gonna be a disaster. But we'll see when it's done. Oh yeah, so just put it there. I put the egg in there, sealed it, whatever is left of the egg. Then we're gonna do the second egg. Where did the second egg go? Okay, second egg is over here. I'm gonna try the second one. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one-handed. Let's see if I can break an egg, because Brittany would have helped me, but she's holding the, I didn't put the oil.
You don't need oil, just put the egg in.
I want to put the oil so it fries well.
Are you gonna eat it?
I might, you never know. Okay, so I put the oil, we're gonna glaze that around. Ooh! Let it soak in a little bit and then just boom. Because this is a cooking car channel, we have to, of course, add our golden salt. So again, just put that in there. Ooh! Oh yeah. Oh, I don't know why I'm also I don't know if I'm nose bleeding or if I'm just stuffed up or something, but this sun is doing, ooh, that egg over there is fried. Look at this, hold on. Look, it's a disaster, but I mean, it's fried, even the one on my windshield as well. All the components are heating up right now, and oh my gosh, it's so hot. And we're just gonna leave it to pretty much cook for like, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes. Let's see what happens. Or I'm probably just gonna leave it for the next hour and we'll come back and see what happens. But it's so hot. Even out here, I feel myself getting weaker. My heart is beating really fast. My legs are burning. And this is just, again, not just to show that you can cook eggs with 370Z or with a car. You hear stories every year of parents leaving kids in their cars, or like dog owners or pet owners leaving their pets in their cars on the other side for so long. And that is just very bad. And so I just want to kind of show you guys exactly where that is going to lead to. If you, not that the kid is going to roast or fry, but that's probably possible, and they can actually lose their life in the process. And so, okay, I can't take this anymore. I'm going to have to go inside. And to the touch, it already feels extremely hot. So I'm excited to see if this works. Okay, I have to sit inside because I'm literally about to pass out. Just being out there for about 20 minutes, or yeah, I just literally felt like I was gonna die, and I had to just come in. I literally almost couldn't breathe anymore. This is bad. And if I haven't introduced myself, or if this is the first time you're watching my videos, my name is Elvis, and welcome to the Golden Drive. I hope you're enjoying this video and enjoying me roast and suffer. It's so much fun. Yeah. Oh. Okay, so I have waited out here. The car is literally behind me. If you can see a yellow dot there, and no one is coming to steal it. I haven't seen anyone walk by and like, try to grab the eggs and run. And so I'm just gonna go to my room, watch some golden anime, and just come back. And I just started watching something called Inuyasha. If you have seen it before, it's golden. And on this side, I'm editing a wedding, and on this side, I'm watching Tavarish's golden video.
And I don't know if you guys saw, but at the back of the car, there was a little bit.
But it's been about an hour now, so I probably need to go check it out to see if it is golden. I'm excited. This hallway reminds me so much of like a scary movie. So far, so good. No one seems to have stolen the eggs from our 370Z, so let's go check it out. Woo. This is the moment of truth for one of the eggs. Doesn't feel that hot. Oh, I'm not very confident going into this, and I don't know which way to open it to. I don't know if it's gonna just run everywhere, and just, oh gosh, I literally have no idea what to expect. So this is just fantastic. But it's been out for about 2 hours now. So anything that was supposed to happen should have happened, I think. But it's under the shade now because of the sun. Oh no. And I brought my bread just so I can try it. Oh, gross. That is so gross. Oh, that is so gross. It's all still in there. It's so gross. You guys have no idea how much I really want this to work, but I'm not sure it did. I'm trying to see if it's still running. I'm shaking it. I don't hear anything. So this actually might have worked. Wait a second. Some of it actually fried. Look at it. Some of it is white. One of the most gross things I've ever seen in my life. Look. I'm just not even gonna bring that out because it is an amazing disaster. Well, my car is completely ruined. You can kind of see all the egg drippiness. Even on the glass, on the windows, it's everywhere. So yeah, this is Elliot, my roommate, and he has come to judge my egg car cookingness.
Hello, I am here to judge this egg, which Elvis has prepared so gracefully for our loyal fans. See, this egg has the consistency, but it does not have the, you know, it has the flow, it has the jiggle, but it does not have the
No, it has the jiggle.
It has the jiggle.
What is the jiggle?
But it does not have the
So if I did anything wrong in this video, just let me know. Because I really want this to work. Like, as you guys can see, I literally brought my bread and a plate with me just so I can try to see if this thing is gonna work. So I really wanted it to work, but unfortunately it didn't work. But we might try another way another time. Maybe use my engine. Maybe drive really hard for a long time. And
Drive, right?
yeah, how How do you watch my video?
The owner, this is my work car.
Oh really?
Hey, you wanna go to my garage?
That is the most random thing. I literally just saw a subscriber right now, so this is gonna be awesome.
Angelo.
Oh, nice to meet you.
What's your? I actually don't know your name.
Elvis? Elvis, yeah.
That's Simon?
Yeah, I was just making a video.
Okay. Yeah, no, like, no, I saw it. I was like, oh, he's no, cause I saw it, and then I was like, oh shit, like he lives here. I was like some random person. Like,
Awesome.
yeah.
So randomly, I just met Angelo, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just met him, and he's a subscriber. I was in the middle of the street while I was filming the egg video. So, and he has this amazing 370Z. This is awesome. And the best part is that we live like
Right
3
there,
minutes from
yeah.
each other, or like 2 minutes.
No, not even like 30 seconds. if
Yeah,
you're on the
literally.
bus.
This is so cool. What wheels are these?
These are the NKRS 05.
Ooh. These are so nice. I didn't even know I had subscribers here. It's so cool that, thank you so much for saying hi, Angelo. You're so awesome. I love your Z. It's so good. But yeah, I had no idea that I would meet a subscriber just in the middle of nowhere doing a silly egg video. And I literally also got into the car with him, not even knowing anything about him. That is so funny. I'm looking to meet all of you guys that live in California or Southern California so we could hang out and drive and do kart. That sounded wrong. If you guys have not given this golden video a thumbs up, please do, because it helps me a lot. So I can buy more eggs to make more silly content like this. And if you have also any ideas that I could make, or yeah, if you have any ideas for any future videos, just comment below and I will definitely experiment once it has to do with food and this car or any other video idea. That's pretty much it, guys. Have a golden rest of the day. Okay, hell yeah, hit your camera hand on the camera to cover it, to like poop. Like, boop.